Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2011 Harley Davidson Fat Boy Low. This bike has just a little over 9,600 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, show you what we've got on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. Tires look to be in excellent condition. We've got a little bit of light corrosion here on the forks. The bike comes with drag bars, aftermarket mirrors and grips, along with matching levers, pedals, and pegs. This also has driver footboards on it, as well as Vance & Hines pipes. Rear tire as well still looks in great shape. And again, footboards for the driver with the matching shifter. And as you can see, the heel part of this has been taken off. And again, grips, levers, mirrors. All right. 9604 is what's on it. This 2011 Fat Boy Low will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.